Okay, I just want to show you some connections for the MPSciLink device that you'll have to make on your car. First being is it connects through the diagnostic port on the vehicle. So you can see here it's using just regular spade terminals, and I'm just using some 4-conductor 22 gauge wire that I had. So this one right here, the black wire and the white wire, are the 12-volt power and ground. Ground being black, white being power. And then the blue and the brown on my wire are connected to the diagnostic wires, green and pink. And that's the ECU transmit and receives. So those are the only 4 wires that you'll use at the diagnostic connector. Inside the vehicle now, you see the device board with the Arduino. It's mounted. And I've got some wires here. Again, like in the other video, there's a 4-pin area here for the next-gen display. These 2 pins here are the ECU transmit and receive. So you can see those same blue and brown wires are on those terminals. In this case, brown is the transmit and blue is the receive to the board. In the lower left here you see the white and the black wire as my 12-volt power and ground. And this other connector here, this red wire, I'm using to connect to the output of my wideband O2 as a test for the analog input. And this happens to be some 3-conductor shielded wire. So I've got 2 extra wires here. The display, again, that 4-pin connector normally would power the display, power and ground, and then a transmit and receive. However, this 7-inch screen has a power consumption that is a little bit greater than what the board can supply and the Arduino can supply. So right now it's powered separately on my test with a USB 12-volt plug. And the manufacturer supplies a small board with a micro USB to power the device if you choose. So those are the wiring connections. Another video will go through a setup of MPSciLink and also setting up and downloading to the board, flashing the Arduino, and what you can expect when you get the device, what you'll have to do for a setup.